breeze first. And I just need just a little, like just a little bit, because I want just a hint. And then of course you keep in mind you are going to cap it with the crystal clear, so it's not going to be really thin for you at all. It's going to be perfect. And I'm gonna blend it down. Hello everyone. I'm not looking up the screen right now, but thank you so much for tuning in. And brush it down. Just blend it like this. Okay. And then let it set, and then we are going to pick the orange soda, smaller beads, and we're just gonna do it right in half of the nails. So you see that there are so many different ways to do ombre. You have seen me do so many different. I did this with the free edges first, half the nails on the lower nails first, and then do it on the cuticle second. And then this time you see me do it on the cuticle because we're doing it really thin. We're also going to cap it with crystal clear. And now, if you are really like this, you can cap it with crystal clears. But if you want to add anything else on, absolutely you can. All right. I'm gonna cap it with crystal clear for this nails. Yesterday you see me doing just solids colors swatching with you, and today we're gonna dive right into different designs. And important, when you cap, you can cap right here where is yours Ocean's Breeze and yours Orange Soda together. If you want, you can start from a cuticles area, just in case you are like just starting it out. You can definitely cover the cuticle and protect it without getting a filing too much off. Getting this a little bit more. Let it set. All right. Looks stunning though. I put a lot of charms on it. All right, so let it set for just a few seconds.